So this is just a quick look at my layout. I've just about got 3 trains running, but I know something's going to derail in a minute. I just started making this about 5 months ago. It's been kind of a COVID lockdown project, and I've really enjoyed it. It's just bought most things second hand off eBay. Started out with a Christmas train set, and it's kind of grown from there. It's kind of got 3 loops at the minute, kind of a high line here, and then 2 loops. The Mallard there is running on the inner loop, the Flying Scotsman on the outer loop, and then there's this 4th loop, which was just meant to be going to this shadow station here. But now I'm thinking I'll connect it around this end, so there'll be a 4th ring. So I'll probably connect up along here to there. And then I've got a large fiddle yard here. There'll be a station here, main station, platform, and the High Line. There'll be another station here, and maybe a commercial industry there. And this hopefully is going to be a mine, and there'll be another industry up here. I don't know, maybe a logging or sawmill or something. So I've just done the bit of landscaping here. Must do tunnel portals next, and eventually do the landscape on this side. And the plan actually is to put a river here, so they're cutting out the board, and these will all be bridges. Big little cliff here, and I'll probably even go down, so the river will be running down low. And then this is the control panel. Sorry for the mess underneath, but this is a lovely controller, picked up second hand. It's got simulation to, braking and inertia, and this is the beginning of points controls. So I'm going to have currently just at these 2 points hooked up. And I'm going to have all the points that I can't reach from sitting down. But these points near me here and in the fiddle yard, I can just reach them really easily. But so the far away points, so the top half of the loop of the layout will be will have motors. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed watching videos on YouTube and learned a ton. So it's a great resource. Okay.